Hi, hi, hi. Just a quick video journal trade review, right? So today went into the daily to look at the daily bias, right? The overall higher time frame bias, right? So came in here, I saw that there was a bullish candle closure to the upside. So although price was going lower, just as it seems to be even now, I anticipated that to be like a manipulation in the grand scheme of things because, still looking for these daily targets to be hit here. So, same thing on the GBP side. Let me just open the GBP, the Euro side, sorry. That was GBP. Um, Let me see. Same thing this side, right? Daily targets were here, bullish candle closure to the upside. So, literally just went to the 4 hour. Went to the 4 hour to see what was going on there because it's a non-news day. This is that strategy where we go down on every time frame up until we get to the 1 minute, looking for biases that align with that daily time frame. So got to the 4 hour. Once I got to the 4 hour, did get a bullish confirmation to the upside, especially on the GBP side. There was like a strong displacement to the upside. Even here, we did have like a candle closure to the upside, body closure to the upside, continuation. So went to the hourly. Once I got to the hourly, let me see what's going on to the hourly. The hourly also gave like a bullish confirmation to the upside, right? We just wait for this to load before I can confirm that for sure. Okay, so got onto the hourly. I believe it was this candle, body closure above, so bullish. Same thing here, body closure above, so bullish. So that was bullish. So I went to the 15 minute. As I got to the 15 minute chart, let's see what's going on there. Mm, just click. All right. So got there and also got like bullish confirmation, I believe, right? Bullish confirmation, I believe it was here, similar to the hourly, sort of like a continuation to the upside, I believe. So went to the 5 minute, same thing here. I believe it was this one, confirmation to the upside. So went to the 5 minute, it's either the hourly or the 4 hour. But yeah, either way, bullish, right? So got to the 5 minute also bullish confirmation to the upside right there, bullish confirmation, continuation closure. So got to the 1 minute. Once I got to the 1 minute, I was just literally looking for an auto block that would form and that would retrace into an equilibrium area and then also just then rally higher after that, right? Just go higher. So at first, I thought this was the equilibrium tab, but looking at it, this was just a retrace, right? This high low of the equilibrium. So finally get a tap right there. I would have gotten a nicer risk to reward, to be honest. Didn't enter the trade. That's fine. So went to the upside. It was supposed to go to the upside, but just ended up going lower and sweeping stops. So that's it. And yeah, man. I mean, sometimes you're gonna get these trades where it's a loss. Don't think too much of it. As long as you stuck to the bias, just be happy that you stuck to the bias. You understood why you took the trade, and if it just doesn't go your way, man, maybe it's just that day, or maybe because I do believe that price here is still going to go to the upside, right? It is still going to go to the upside, but it might not go to the upside now. So maybe there is another zone where it's going to react off of and then go higher. And so, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised when I open the charts tomorrow and I find that the daily targets one and two have been taken. So Anyways, that's it. Cheers, and thank you for watching this. All right.